Hey there, breakfast champions! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and recipes to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and flavor. Let's make your mornings awesome and vibrant with these quick, nutritious, and absolutely delicious recipes that are sure to become your new favorites. First up, we've got the classic avocado toast. This is a staple for a reason. Smash a ripe avocado, spread it generously on whole grain toast, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor, pepper for a bit of spice, and a dash of chili flakes for that extra kick. It's creamy, crunchy, and gives you that perfect energy boost to start your day. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and fiber. Next, let's whip up a berry smoothie bowl. This is like a treat in a bowl. Blend together frozen berries, a banana for natural sweetness, a handful of spinach for those greens, and your favorite plant-based milk to make it creamy and smooth. Pour it into a bowl and top with crunchy granola, nutrient-packed chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. It's like eating ice cream for breakfast, but way healthier. It's refreshing, filling, and full of antioxidants. Now time for some overnight oats. This is perfect for those busy mornings. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3s, almond milk for creaminess, and a touch of maple syrup for natural sweetness in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and voila! Breakfast is ready when you wake up. In the morning, just add your favorite fruits and nuts. It's convenient, tasty, and packed with fiber and protein to keep you full. How about a veggie-packed omelet? This is a great way to get your veggies in early. Whisk some eggs, toss in chopped bell peppers for crunch, spinach for greens, and a handful of mushrooms for that earthy flavor. Cook it up in a pan until it's golden and fluffy, and you've got a protein-rich breakfast that keeps you full for hours. It's perfect for a hearty start to your day. Lastly, try a nut butter banana wrap. This is a quick and easy option for those rushed mornings. Spread almond butter on a whole wheat wrap, add banana slices for natural sweetness, and roll it up. It's quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for those on-the-go mornings. Plus, it's packed with protein and potassium. So there you have it. 5 quick and easy breakfast recipes to keep you energized and healthy all day long. Happy cooking and happy eating. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. We love sharing our passion for good food with you. Try out these breakfast ideas and let us know your favorite in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the best way to start your day right. See you next time, breakfast champions.